What is the difference between baking soda, bicarbonate of soda, and washing soda?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into the world of baking soda, bicarbonate of soda, and washing soda. These three substances are often used in cooking and household cleaning, but what exactly sets them apart? Let's find out.
Baking soda.
Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile ingredient commonly used in baking. It is a white, crystalline powder that is alkaline in nature. Baking soda is primarily used as a leavening agent in recipes, helping dough and batter rise by releasing carbon dioxide when it reacts with acidic ingredients, such as vinegar or lemon juice.
Bicarbonate of soda.
Now, you might be wondering, what about bicarbonate of soda? Well, here's the interesting part. It's the same thing as baking soda. Bicarbonate of soda is just another name for sodium bicarbonate. The term bicarbonate of soda is more commonly used in British English, while baking soda is the term commonly used in American English.
Washing soda.
Moving on to washing soda, also known as soda ash or sodium carbonate. Washing soda is quite different from baking soda, even though they are both derived from sodium compounds. Washing soda is a stronger alkaline substance and has a higher pH level compared to baking soda. It is typically used as a cleaning agent and laundry booster, thanks to its powerful ability to remove tough stains and grease.
Key differences.
So, what are the key differences between these three substances? Let's summarize. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is primarily used as a leavening agent in baking. Bicarbonate of soda is simply another name for baking soda, with no actual difference in composition or use. Washing soda, sodium carbonate, is a stronger alkaline substance used for cleaning and laundry purposes. To put it simply, while baking soda and bicarbonate of soda are essentially the same thing, washing soda is a distinct and more potent compound designed specifically for cleaning tasks. And there you have it. The difference between baking soda, bicarbonate of soda, and washing soda. Now you know that when it comes to baking, you can confidently use either baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. But if you're tackling tough stains or doing some heavy-duty cleaning, washing soda is your go-to option. I hope you found this information helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.